Welcome to Sruthi Lakshmi's virtual classroom. Today we're going to see how to compare fractions. Let's try an example. Let's compare 3 by 7 and 2 by 5. Which fraction is greater? Both the fractions 3 by 7 and 2 by 5 have different denominators, which are 7 and 5. So they are called as unlike fractions. To compare two or more unlike fractions, we have to convert them into like fractions. Like fractions are nothing but equivalent fractions. The like fractions can be found by the least common multiples of the denominator. Here both the denominators are prime numbers, which are 7 and 5. So we just multiply them. So 7 into 5 is 35. The first fraction we are comparing here is 3 by 7. And remember that 35 is the common denominator. So 7 into what equals the common denominator 35? 7 into 5 equals 35. So we multiply the denominator and the numerator by 5. So 3 into 5 is 15 and 7 into 5 is 35. So 3 by 7 is 15 by 35. See the second fraction we are comparing here, which is 2 by 5. So 5 into what equals the common denominator 35? 5 into 7 equals the common denominator 35. So 5 into 7 for the denominator, and we also multiply by 7 for the numerator. So 2 into 7 is 14. And 5 into 7 is 35. So 2 by 5 is 14 by 35. Now let's compare 15 by 35 and 14 by 35. It is much more easier because both the denominators are same. So when we compare 15 by 35 with 14 by 35, we come to know that 15 by 35 is greater. This is also known as the butterfly method or the cross multiplying method. So when we cross multiply, we multiply 2 into 7 and 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is 15 and 2 into 7 is 14. Next we compare 15 and 14. We know that 15 is greater than 14. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. In a hockey tournament, Team A played 6 matches and won 5 matches out of it. So, they had 6 matches and they won 5 matches out of it. Team B played 5 matches and won 4 matches out of it. So, out of 5 matches, they won 4 matches. So, Team A's match can be written as 5 by 6 and Team B can be written as 4 by 5. So we have to find out which team will win the tournament. So we have to multiply 6 into 5 because 5 is a prime number. So 6 into 5 is 30. So the common denominator will be 30. So here the first fraction we are comparing is 5 by 6. So 6 into what equals 30? So 6 into 5 equals 30. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 5. So 5 into 5 is 25 and 6 into 5 is 30. So 25 by 30. And next for Team B, which is 4 by 5, we do 5 into what equals 30? 5 into 6 equals 30. So multiply the numerator and the denominator by 6. So 4 into 6 is 24 and 5 into 6 is 30. So 24 by 30. Next we compare 24 by 30 and 25 by 30. When we compare them, we come to know that 25 by 30 is greater. So Team A will win the tournament. Let's see another example. Chris ate 2/5 of the chocolate bar and Alex ate 1/3 of the chocolate bar. Who has eaten more? So Chris ate 2/5 and Alex ate 1/3. So here the denominators are unlike, which is 5 and 3. So since both 5 and 3 are prime numbers, we just multiply them together. So 5 into 3 is 15. So our common denominator will be 15. The first fraction we are comparing here is 2/5. So 5 into what equals the common denominator 15? 5 into 3. So we multiply the denominator and the numerator by 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 and 5 into 3 is 15. So Chris eats 6 by 15. And now for Alex, which is 1/3, 3 into what equals 15? 3 into 5 equals 15. So you multiply the denominator and the numerator by 5. So 1 into 5 is 5 and 3 into 5 is 15. So Alex ate 5/15 of the chocolate bar. Now we come to know that Chris eats more because when we compare 6 by 15 and 5 by 15, which they both have the same denominators, we get to know that Chris eats more. So Chris has eaten more of the chocolate bar than Alex.
Thanks for watching.